to a much, much safer RV.
Yes, we decided this week to change all of the locks on our RV. We actually had a special visitor. Our friend Troy, Professor on the Road, stopped by, showed us his cool rig that he's been traveling full-time in, and it got us thinking, we need to think about safety too.
These are solar motion lights. Didn't use them the whole time.
Oh, okay.
Never turned them on.
Fun fact, most RVs, storage containers, come with a very basic standard lock mechanism called a CH751, which anybody can open if they have the same key, and most RVs do. So we decided to see how easy it was for the kids to break in the RV.
To our own.
To our own RV.
Most of the RVs have the same key, so it's super easy to break into. So Jonah, how old are you right now?
5.
Jude, how old are you?
3.
3. So I want to see if you guys, if we give you the key, we want to see how easy it is for you to break into our own RV. Do you think you can do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Dad's going to give you the key, and then we're going to get going, okay? Are you excited? That since it was so easy and the kids are going to be actually in the main part where a lot of the storage parts are, because we knocked out the external storage, it was extra important for us to change all the locks. Ew, look at that. What's going on back there?
Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Yes, as far as ease goes, it was very simple to change out these locks. And these locks, the new locks that we got from Amazon, don't even require a key. We're gonna switch out this lock here, and we're gonna switch it with this new lock here. You're gonna need a screwdriver and a wrench. Guess you might need the key too. Just gonna take your screwdriver first of all. Unscrew this clip here. Take that off. Just unscrew the nut off there, and then shoot out, just push this out like that. That's it. Take apart the new one to get it on there first of all. I'm a little concerned about this because the other one had a slight bend to it, so we might have to stick it in a vise and bend it to get it connected. You can see that. Shut it. Lock it. See, it does have that little bit of give because, I mean, these would hold it in place, obviously, but still, you don't want someone to get your fingers in there and pull it out. You can see the old one right here has a curve to it. And the new one's completely flat. So we're gonna try and match it as close as I can by sticking it in the vise. So more of an S than a bend, but I think that might work. The new lock is on. Let's give it a test now. So before it wasn't very snug, but now we shut it, bent that latch there, goes on. Much more snug fit. And the only other thing left to do is to change the number from 0000, which is really simple actually. There's a little hole in the side when it's open. It comes with these little keys right here. When you're ready to change your code, you just pop it in like this. And then you change your numbers, take it out, and enter your new code set. Now try and break in with that key. Yeah, see, it's a little different now, isn't it?
Creepy.
Got cookies?
You are a monster.
For wanting this, we appreciate it. Yeah, we really do appreciate it. tickle.
Thank you so much. We know this is a little bit different than the renovation series that we've been doing. A lot of our supplies are on back order, so we will be getting back to that. Safety is important, safety first, so we hope that you enjoyed this, and we'll see you next week.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cherries.
Cheers. Cheers.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Sit on Mummy's lap, Jude, and John, you can.
Usually they go like, oh! Oh, oh, oh!
Hi, Mom.
Would you quit? Oh my gosh, he knows exactly how to unlock my phone. You're such a scandalous kid.
When I bought the new lock for the door, this one, I took it off and then I realised that it's not going to work. There's going to be a big gap at the top. I don't know what to do about that. Probably just have to. I mean, it's in. There you go. Perfect. Look at that. It's beautiful. After spending about an hour on Reddit and my Facebook groups and scanning the internet and Amazon, the only thing I can do is put it back in the box, return it, and forget about it. Because I am not one of the people that goes in the fits most trailers category.